Hello and welcome back to Android Tutorials, and in our next part of our video in which we are going to create the custom navigation drawer, and in our next video we are going to add the animation to our navigation drawer. So let's begin with our today's video on creating the navigation drawer. But before that, if you forgot to subscribe our channel or didn't watch our code save series, then I request you to watch that, because in that also we have created an amazing videos. Now let's move to our this part. So in this video we are going to create a navigation drawer. So first we have to change our dashboard. So in our dashboard we are going to wrap our complete layout with drawer layout, and we are going to wrap our layout with scroll view, and we are going to close that scroll view. And in this scroll view we just have one linear layout and one text view. Later we are going to design this part manually. And now let me close this linear layout, and here is our scroll view. So here it is closing now. Now here is linear layout with embedded toolbar. So now let's close that linear layout also. And after we have our navigation view in which we have to write id, its width, its height, its gravity, its header layout, and menu. We have to embed each menu. So header layout contain only one text view with relative layout, so you can see that app name and our background color. And moving to our menu, after in our upcoming tutorials we are going to add the custom categories. And in this video we are going to create this much things: disclaimer, share, rate, and feedback. So here is our next item of more, and you will also find the complete source code when we complete this application. So to get the source code soon, please make sure you subscribe to our channel and don't forget to miss any update. Now we want 100k subscribers, so subscribe to our channel. We are soon going to complete it. Now here we are going to move to our dashboard activity. I had shown you the menu header layout, so we had made it and give the drawer layout an id, that is drawer layout. So here you can see that. Now in our dashboard activity we are going to add a drawer layout with action bar drawer toggle of toggle, and then make it toolbar and navigation view is equal to navigation view. So this much global variable when you made, you have to move to our drawer layout find view by id. So you have to add find view by id on it, and after you have to make it toggle new action bar drawer toggle and pass the activity this, and then make a right drawer layout and make some random string that will here. Then we are going to implement navigation view find view by id, and then make it bring to front. So when user will click on navigation icon, a navigation drawer will show up. After that we are going to set the checked item, that is home, and then set navigation item click listener to this. Now it will generate an error, so we have to move to our app compact activity, and after that we have to implement navigation view dot on navigation item selected listener. After that we have to write drawer listener. So here is drawer layout dot add drawer listener to be toggle and toggle dot sync state. So if you don't understand this part, then you can pause our video and write this much code. You will get what we are doing. And don't forget to subscribe our channel Android Tutorials, and you will find our channel by typing hashtag Android Tutorials. Now here is our case. So after when you implement this navigation item selected listener, you will generate one method that name is navigation item selected. So in that you will find first home. So here I am just closing my drawer layout, but in next video we are going to add some categories over here. So first let's move to feedback part. So in feedback we are going to get the all the feedback into our mails. So here is intent for our feedback intent, and we are going to set its type to be action send, and then set the data of URI press mail to, and write the your email at the gmail.com into a string array, and then give your subject and tags, and then put all that stuff into a feedback intent, and then finally start our feedback intent. So we will get all the mails in our application, and then we are going to create a share intent and a rate intent, also a disclaimer. So first let me explain you about disclaimer, because share and rate is easy. So here is our disclaimer. So in disclaimer we are going to first close our drawer, and after we have to use material design alert dialog builder, and then here is we are going to start it and pass the context this. Then we are going to set its title to be disclaimer, and set your message whatever disclaimer you want to give. Then give positive button, share app, and you have to just copy that same code from upper side that we had created. And with same of rate app, and just in neutral button we are going to dismiss our dialog. So this was about a disclaimer in navigation drawer. Now moving to our on item selected. So here you have to write if toggle dot on options item selected is item, then we have to return true. So by this way we are going to work our navigation button click listener. Now let me show you about rate and share. So these both are like a same. So here in share we are creating an intent of action send, and then we are setting our message with application link and put that text with intent, and then start intent and create a chooser of intent. So this will make a share intent, and after we are going to write for rate intent, that is uri dot phrase, and then share this link, and simply the user will redirect to our play store page. So thanks for watching this Android tutorial. If you had really enjoyed this video, then please make sure you like and share this Android tutorial. So subscribe to our channel, don't forget to miss it the latest videos, and you will find the source code for free after completing this series. Thanks for watching.